Hi family and friends. Today I'm going to make a butterscotch caramel cake with a butterscotch caramel frosting for Gretchen's birthday. I'm going to start with, in this bowl right now, I have the Betty Crocker French vanilla cake mix, and I have the butterscotch jello, and this is the 3.4 ounce box. And then I have, let's see, it's a half a cup of brown sugar. I'm just going to mix this up so everything is kind of combined. I've got a bag of the butterscotch chips that I'm melting. Okay, I have my dry ingredients that I'm going to put into my stand mixer. I have melted the butterscotch chips. And to this, I'm going to add 3 eggs. And now I'm going to turn my mixer on low so I don't get flour all over everything. I'm going to add 1 cup of buttermilk. I'm going to add half a cup. It calls for vegetable oil, but I'm using avocado oil. Trying to make a few healthy changes a little at a time. I can't change everything. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of sour cream. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm using the clear vanilla. Actually, no, I'm not, because this cake is not white. So I'm using my favorite vanilla. Now, because this is for the girls, I'm going to add a little bottle of bourbon. Now I'm going to turn this up a little bit, and then I'm going to start adding the butterscotch chips. Actually, I'm going to pour these in there. I'm going to do 2/3 of a cup. Butterscotch is Gretchen's favorite. And then I'll put this back on a medium speed, let it get mixed up really well. I need to figure out my camera positions. The kitchen's not the best for some of this stuff. Alright, here we go. And I've got some chopped pecans that I'm going to add to this mixture. It tastes like a maple bar. Now, I have prepared my pan. I put parchment paper in the bottom. I actually cut a circle, semicircle. That makes it, I actually have a pattern so I don't have to measure every time and do all the tracing, but I need to put the spray on this. Now I'm going to be using 3 pans, and I just put a little spray in the bottom, and then I'll put this on there, and it just keeps it from sliding around. When you put your batter in there, it'll stay positioned. Okay, I chopped up a couple cups of pecans, and I'm going to use about 1 cup. That looks good. Get this mixed in. Who doesn't like pecans? In fact, pecans are my favorite. I like pecans and waffles. Just about anything. Pecans are really good. More than walnuts. I mean, walnuts have their place, but I don't know, there's just something about the pecan. Okay. Now we're going to try and get these equally divided amongst 3 pans. So I have my pan on a scale, and right now it shows 0, but I'm going to put my pan on it. I don't know if you can see. You cannot. Let me see if I can do this without messing things up. This way. So that's how much it weighs with the pan on it, but I'm going to take it back to 0 because I want to make sure that the batter I put in there is going to be equal. When I'm doing this, I like using these big scoop serving spoons. Okay, we're at 13/16, so I'm going to try and get real close with the other 2, and then we'll add as we go. Okay, so this pan's a little different. Again, I'll take it back to 0. Ooh. Okay, well, we're going to go to 15 now. There's 15:10. Now I'm going to bake them in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. I'll come back and show you what they look like. Here's what the cake looked like after I decorated it. And it was for Gretchen's 50th birthday. It was a great celebration. And here's what the cake looked like after they cut into it. They had a lot of fun. So until next time, make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye!